Tonight on 60 Seconds, 2 Rams separated at manufacturing.
Andy, this is Queensland. Nothing crazy like that ever happens around here. You'd expect that stuff to happen over in the US. Not here in our backyard. It's a beautiful truck. It's got all the good qualities that most off-roaders would want. We found out we actually had exactly the same build on the books. And we were just surprised at how much these two trucks had in common. So we did the only thing that we thought would be right. We brought them both to the Big Dog Builds workshop for a meetup. Follow your heart. You can't think what you're feeling. Rams just do it better. Behind me is a Ram 25. Are you going? You can go. I can go, but you go. Okay, first. Mine's better. Ram 2500 DJ2. This thing looks amazing with the off-road creative front bar, Baja lights on the front, and a whole bunch of other goodies. Well, this one here is a super clean looking Ram 2500 with the pearl white color. This one's nice and simple, but tasteful. It's got all the good stuff. Looks amazing. Let's get into it, guys. The front end of this Ram here, as you can see, it's got the off-road creative front bar color-coded to the vehicle. This one's a little bit of a different bar. We've gone for the 4 Baja lights, so no hoop on this one. I don't have them on mine. Got a red badge though, just saying. 4 Baja Pro LED LP9s on the front. These things are pretty damn good. We've also got the Carbon 15K winch in there. So as we know, Carbon Off-Road supply one of the best winches on the market. These 15K winches are definitely the most popular. And all off-road creative bars have also got the steady LED lighting built into the front bar. So on the front end of this one, we've also done a full chrome delete. This is just the start of it. We've got the color-coded grille molds, both top and bottom of the grille. We've also got the satin black in the middle there. But come down the side and I'll show you what else we've done, including the granite crystal, which is in the 2500 badge there. Satin black badges for your Cummins, your 2500, heavy duty. The gloss black Cat 6 indicators on the side there. Gloss black Ram on the side, black door handles even. And this one's already sporting the Carly suspension leveling kit that was done a long time ago, as well as the Method wheels with the Mickey Thompson tires that were already on there. Mine does have electric steps. Around the back on this one, you can't beat a blacked out Ram. We've gone for the Pro Spec tinted tail lights. We've blacked out the Ram badge. We've color coded the rear bumper as well. So that's gone, all the chrome on this vehicle's been deleted with the mixture of color coded paint as well as satin black. Really ties up the rear end here. And as you can see up there as well, we've got the GME UHF, so the 680mm antenna on the back. And don't forget the Switch Pro that's underneath the bonnet. That keeps all of our 12-volt accessories switched from the convenience inside the cab as well. The front end of this one here, it's looking nice and clean in the front. It's even got a little bit of red bits. As everyone knows, red bits go faster. Yeah, all right, I like it. We've also got the LED light behind the front grille, which was already there. This thing's had a full PPF wrap as well, and it's already the night edition from Ram. So being the limited, this one is slightly different to the Laramie over there, but this thing looks amazing. We'll kick down the side. I'll show you a few other features that the Limited has over the Laramie. Ain't no 305 7018. Every inch matters, as you can see. Another red bit, go fast. This one comes with electric side steps from factory. You've got the extra sill down the side, which looks amazing. The main difference between this one and the Laramie, if you haven't pointed out yet, is the Ram box on the rear. Yeah, I prefer the Ram boxes. Oh, it's even got lights. The Ram box on the rear, Limited, already has the chrome delete done. Tinted tail lights have been done on this one as well, and it already had the color-coded bumper with the full PPF all round. Maybe the Ram box is the go. It's sick. Another little bit of red there. Bonus points for red. But we got the different badge on the back being the Ram Limited instead of the Laramie. Also got the limited badging here, but a night edition Limited. Looks amazing, all color-coded. Both satin black as well as the color-coded Ram white. So this one is the champagne sort of Ram finish as well. As you can see, both Rams are pretty similar in height. This one is sitting a tiny bit taller. They both do have the pin top leveling kit. This one has got slightly larger tires, which means it is just that little bit bigger. But Carly pin top leveling kit on this one with the torsion sway bar is going to make it drive amazing. We've got the Carly sway bar end links in the rear, as well as the HD coils too. Both have got fairly simple leveling kits, so no optional upgrades like your radius arms or high mount, low mount steering stabilizers. They can get done afterwards at a stage 2. If you like this truck, guys, check this one out on the beach in American Trucks Down Under. And if you like this truck, check this one out on the beach as well.